Hello everyone, welcome to Express Drives. So, TVS Motor Company has launched the 2021 model for the Apache RR310. Now we're going to ride this motorcycle tomorrow on the racetrack on the MMRT in Chennai. But before that, well, today the launch happened right here. We are at the track right now. So before I ride the motorcycle, I can tell you what all has changed in this model. To begin with, there are a lot of customization options here. You can pick from a dynamic kit or a race kit. With a dynamic kit, what you get is suspension setup. You can change it the way you like it because there is a 20-step adjustment for the rebound and compression over at the front and a 20-step at the rear as well. So in the race kit, what you get are handlebars which are meant for the racetrack. You get a super committed stance on the motorcycle, so you have better control and you can probably get a good time from a lap on the track. The foot pegs will be set higher and rear set in the race kit. Moreover, you will be able to customize the colors for your motorcycle. Now, the motorcycle that I'm standing next to right now is the Race Spec one. When I say Race Spec, you can customize the colors and you can have a race number right here up front. Could be a 46, could be a 93, well, that's up to you. Furthermore, TVS has introduced build-to-order platform, which means you can use a web configurator or an app to choose whatever you want on your motorcycle before you make a purchase. So TVS will be producing 150 units of the new model for the coming 2 months, after which it will be 100 units per month. Now you can book it even if they've reduced 100 units, but your wait time to get delivery for the motorcycle could be longer if you do. Now the prices have been announced for the motorcycle, which is 2.6 lakh ex showroom. Now this is the base price, which means if you pick a dynamic kit or a race kit, the prices may vary. The prices may vary if you pick accessories for the motorcycle as well. Now this means that the base price of the RR310 have been increased starting today. If you're going to get a bike without a dynamic kit or a race kit, a basic standard motorcycle, the base price has been increased for the RR310. So with the 2020 model, TVS introduced a nice looking TFT for the RR310, which has a race computer in it, and it also allows you to very easily pick from 4 ride modes. Now, TVS has taken it one step further and you get something called a DigiDock system. Well, you can save your documents such as your vehicle registration or your driving license on the instrument cluster. The switchgear remains the same and very easy to navigate through all of it, really. So other additions on the feature list include a speed limiter and a dynamic rev counter. Well, a dynamic rev counter, basically what it tells you is, well, if the engine is cold, it'll tell you that you should not be revving it more than a given limit. Well, the engine specs of the motorcycle remain absolutely the same. It is the same 300cc single-cylinder engine which produces 34 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque. Like the previous generation, this also gets a slip and assist clutch, so the pull on the clutch lever, like before, is not a workout. Well, tomorrow I'm going to find out a lot more about this motorcycle because TVS have said that with the dynamic kit, with a suspension that is set better for the racetrack, this machine could actually reduce the time that it does in a lap around the MMRT. Well, we'll figure that out tomorrow when we ride it. Until then, this is all we know about the motorcycle yet. We will be back on the track with the motorcycle. Until then, thank you very much for watching.